All right, today we are going to be unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This was a Christmas gift I received. Thank you, honey, if you're watching this. This is the Creator Combo, the most popular kit that you can buy. And inside, let's see, we've got one travel case bag, another box with accessories, and a bunch of inserts. Quick start guide, intro sheet to some apps that you can install, the safety guidelines here. We've got a black sticker, another sticker, a fly to the future sticker, a DJI mission patch, and then a bunch more stickers, including this. This one's kind of cool. That's a DJI logo. Box. We've only got one thing. This is the protective cover for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Let's go and pull that out. So, as you can see, it's got a nice rubberized exterior. And it's designed super simple, so you can just slide the Pocket 3 in and it'll protect the lens and the gimbal as you carry this in your pocket or in your bag. Looks pretty nice. You can check it out. Case is very nice and compact. It's about the size of a Coke can. So here's a normal 500ml drink, and you can see it's about the same size as that. Got a nice DJI logo here, nice waterproof material. The zipper looks looks pretty nice actually. So the zipper unzips all the way around 3 sides, so it can open up nice and wide. First we have this. This is the 1/4-inch screw adapter for the Pocket 3. Here's the star of the show, the DJI Pocket 3. So the 1/4-inch adapter just goes on the bottom like this. And then you can see it's got an extension for the USB-C port on the back. And then it's got a 1/4-inch standard camera screw on the bottom for you to put on a tripod or on other accessories. So this button right here, you push it, there you go. And then you can pull it out. Cool, it actually extends the grip, so it's a little bit easier to hold as well. So let's go ahead and put that down. This is the Osmo Pocket 3 battery handle. So the Pocket 3 does not have, you cannot change the batteries, but what you can do is plug in one of these battery handles and that'll extend your battery life. And then if you need more battery life, you can actually buy extras of these. So you can use your Pocket 3 all day. There you go, locks right in. The same type of release button as the 1/4-inch screw adapter. This one also has a 1/4-inch screw adapter at the bottom. And there you go. That's the Osmo Pocket 3 battery handle. The case is pretty nice. It's got dividers in it. You can check it out. There's a bunch of dividers in it to keep everything organized. This is the Osmo Mini Tripod. So this is a neat little thing that comes with it. Just plastic, opens up. I don't know, this looks a little bit fragile. You gotta be a little bit careful with this. I've had other tripods like this where if you step on it by accident or whatnot, the whole thing just breaks because it's just plastic. But very light and convenient. And now we have a tripod for this. You can stand nicely just like that. You've got the dead cat for the microphone that comes with it. I'm not making the name up. This is what they were called. This is pretty much helps when you're using the mic outdoors in a windy condition. It'll help get rid of the wind sound. Here's a little wrist strap. So let's see if this attaches to the case. No, I don't think it goes on the case. Oh, there you go, right here. You can see there's the hole right there that you can insert the wrist strap into. There you go. You can see that clearly now. A USB-C cable, and then you can see there's even these elastic pockets here for some of these smaller accessories. Let's see, this is a wide angle lens adapter for the Pocket 3. And it goes right on. You just magnetically put it on, I think, like that. There you go. Or is that the backwards? Nope, it's definitely that way. Okay, cool. And you can see how that fits right on, like just like that. This is a magnet back piece for the mic so that you can clip it to your shirt or whatnot. So here, yeah, it's got a logo on it. I find these logos actually kind of annoying. I don't want more logos in my frame when I'm filming. So it would have been nice if they had made their branding more subtle. This is the DJI Mic 2. I actually have the DJI Mic 1, which is what I'm using now. But this should be a big improvement over the Mic 1. First of all, it looks a lot cooler. It's got that clear plastic so you can see the electronics inside. But the other big improvement is that, there you go, you can see put the magnet right there on it. So you can either clip it to your collar or your shirt, or you can use the magnet to put it on a different location in your shirt. I actually like to use the magnet because it holds the mic a little bit further away. Cool new feature on the Mic 2 is that it has Bluetooth now, so you can connect this directly to your camera or to your phone or to your computer, or the Pocket 3 in this case, via Bluetooth. So you don't need the extra receiver. There you go, kind of cute, right? See how this fits in the case. So here we got the protective case, we got the Pocket 3, and you just make sure the lens is facing downwards, I guess. Make sure the lens is facing downwards, pop it in like that. And there you go, it's nice and protected. Yeah, I don't know. I would be more comfortable with a more 360 protective cover. A lot of dust and stuff is gonna fall in there. So maybe I'll look for a third-party accessory. And there you go, DJI Pocket 3. Now check out this cinematic video test I do between the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Or check out this travel video that we made with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3.